Hey, this is Sarah. Lhasa is a place full of surprises. Besides busy markets, ancient palaces, and the spots I will show you here is also wonderful. It's one of the 9 Chinese cities honored as international wetland cities. Lhasa is home to Lalu Wetland, the world's highest and China's largest urban natural wetland. It is also called the Lawn of Lhasa. Over 40 species here are national key protected animals. The birds vote with their wings. More birds now choose to spend winter here. From nature's masterpiece, let's walk to a human one, where 56 ethnic groups story meet. These 56 musical instrument sculptures, one for each group, sing a shared song. This one represents 西藏藏族.